Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the best scenery in South Africa. Get ready to be amazed by the breathtaking landscapes and stunning views this beautiful country has to offer. Alright folks, let's kick things off in Cape Town, where the iconic Table Mountain dominates the skyline. Next up, we're heading inland to the breathtaking Blyde River Canyon, one of the largest green canyons in the world. Now imagine this, towering cliffs draped in emerald green foliage, plunging dramatically into a deep, winding gorge. It's a sight that'll leave you speechless. As you stand at the edge of the canyon, you'll feel a sense of awe wash over you. The sheer scale of it all is simply breathtaking. The Blyde River, a silver ribbon far below, carves its way through the landscape, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. One of the best ways to experience the canyon's grandeur is by driving along the panorama route. This scenic road takes you past some of the most iconic viewpoints, each offering a unique perspective of this natural wonder. First up, God's Window. And trust me, the name is no exaggeration. From this vantage point, you'll feel like you're standing at the edge of the world, gazing out over an endless expanse of rolling hills and lush valleys. Next, we have the three rondables. These three massive rounded rock formations resemble traditional African huts, hence the name. The way they stand tall against the backdrop of the canyon is a testament to nature's artistry. And let's not forget Bork's Luck potholes. These cylindrical holes carved out of the rock by centuries of erosion are a testament to the power of water. The swirling patterns and vibrant colors are a sight to behold. But the Blyde River Canyon isn't just about the views. It's also a haven for wildlife. Keep an eye out for baboons, monkeys, and a variety of bird species as you explore this natural wonderland. So whether you're a nature enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or simply looking for a place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, the Blyde River Canyon is a must-visit destination in South Africa. Chapter 3, Drakensberg Mountains, where giants sleep. Now let's head south to the majestic Drakensberg Mountains, a place where towering peaks pierce the sky and ancient legends whisper on the wind. The Drakensberg, meaning Dragon's Mountain in Afrikaans, is a sight that'll make you believe in giants. These mountains, folks, they're not just rocks and peaks. They hold stories, whispered through generations of indigenous people, the San and the Zulu. You can feel that history, that deep connection to the land in every hike you take. Speaking of hikes, the Drakensberg is a hiker's paradise. From gentle trails winding through valleys painted with wildflowers to challenging climbs that lead to panoramic vistas, there's a path for every level. Imagine this. You're trekking through grasslands that stretch as far as the eye can see. The wind carrying the scent of wild herbs. You look up, and there it is. Amphitheater. A sheer cliff face that seems to stretch on forever. This natural wonder, folks, it'll make you feel small, but in a good way. You realize the power of nature, the eons it took to sculpt these mountains, and you can't help but feel a sense of peace. But the Drakensberg isn't just about the views, it's about the silence, the kind that lets you hear your own heartbeat. It's about the crisp mountain air that fills your lungs with every breath. As the sun sets, painting the peaks in hues of orange and purple, you'll understand why the Drakensberg is considered a sacred place. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature, with yourself, and with something bigger than yourself. Chapter 4. Garden Route, a Coastal Dream. Alright folks, buckle up because we're hitting the road, cruising down the legendary Garden Route. Imagine this, the wind in your hair, the sun on your face, and a coastline so beautiful it feels unreal. That's the Garden Route experience. This stretch of road, hugging the southeastern coast of South Africa, is a feast for the senses. You've got the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean on one side, crashing against dramatic cliffs and pristine beaches. On the other side, lush forests teeming with life, rolling hills blanketed in vineyards, and charming towns that feel like they're straight out of a storybook. It's a place where you can slow down, breathe deep, and just enjoy the ride. Now, the Garden Route isn't about rushing. It's about savoring every moment, every view, every encounter. So, take your time. Stop at those roadside stalls selling fresh fruit, chat with the locals, and soak it all in. Start your journey in Mossel Bay, a historic town with a charming harbor. Learn about its seafaring past, maybe even spot some whales or dolphins frolicking offshore. It's the perfect place to grab some fresh seafood and soak up the coastal vibes. Next up, Wilderness National Park. This place, folks, it's a nature lover's dream. You've got tranquil lakes, dense forests, and hiking trails that lead to hidden waterfalls. Keep an eye out for the Knysna lory, a colorful bird with a distinctive call. As you continue your drive, you'll pass through Knysna, a town nestled between a lagoon and the ocean. It's known for its oysters, its artsy vibe, and its proximity to the Knysna forest, a place shrouded in mystery and home to ancient trees. And speaking of forests, you can't miss Tsitsikamma National Park. This protected area boasts dramatic coastline, suspension bridges swaying high above the crashing waves, and a network of trails that wind through the forest. Chapter 5. Kruger National Park, where the wild things are. Alright folks, get ready for an adventure because we're heading into the wild heart of Africa, the legendary Kruger National Park. Now imagine this, a vast savanna stretching as far as the eye can see, the air alive with the sounds of nature and the thrill of spotting some of the planet's most iconic animals. That's Kruger. This place, folks, it's not just a park, it's a kingdom ruled by nature, where animals roam free and the human world feels a million miles away. You'll feel it the moment you enter those gates, a sense of awe and respect for the wild. Now when we talk about Kruger, we gotta talk about the big five: lion, leopard, elephant, rhino, and buffalo. These majestic creatures, they're the stars of the show, and spotting them in their natural habitat is an experience that'll stay with you forever. Imagine this. You're driving slowly through the bush, the sun casting long shadows, when you spot a pride of lions lounging in the shade. You watch as the cubs play, as the adults keep a watchful eye, and you realize you're witnessing something truly special. Or maybe you're lucky enough to catch a glimpse of a leopard, its spotted coat blending seamlessly with the dappled light of the forest. These elusive creatures, they're a rare sight, and even a fleeting glimpse is enough to send chills down your spine. But Kruger isn't just about the big cats. You've got herds of elephants lumbering across the savanna, their sheer size enough to take your breath away. You've got giraffes gracefully browsing the treetops, their long necks reaching for the tenderest leaves. And let's not forget the zebras, their stripes creating a mesmerizing pattern as they graze in the open grasslands. Now as you explore Kruger, remember, you're a visitor in their home. Respect the animals, keep a safe distance, and listen to your guide. So there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the breathtaking scenery of South Africa. From iconic mountains and lush canyons to scenic coastlines and wildlife-rich savannas, this country has it all. We hope this video has inspired you to add South Africa to your travel bucket list. Which area of the world would you like us to explore next? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.